So one of the biggest misunderstandings in Industry 4.0 is about the value proposition of this all. Very often I get the point asking, so what are core metrics we should implement to measure better operational efficiency or operational equipment efficiency by Industry 4.0? Well, these are great questions. And actually many or most Industry 4.0 implementations will start by looking for more operational excellence, like predictive maintenance to prevent unplanned downtime, energy efficiency, better utilization of machinery, and so on. But I totally urge you not to settle there. Well, actually for your investment case, what you show your boss, you may use this. But you always should have not a hidden, but perhaps a second agenda in achieving something more. As I truly believe that the real value of Industry 4.0 will not come just from operational excellence, as actually by connecting plants, by working on an industrial data platform, we very quickly there will become all the same. In a good Industry 4.0 environment, actually we can learn from other factories. So on these operational levels, we will do instant benchmarking and just become the same on a higher level. To really get competitive advantage, you have to think beyond operational excellence. You have to talk about value with regard to differentiation and new business models. Think about it. Often as a manufacturing executive, marketing, product management strategy comes to you and says, this is our new strategy, now please find a way to implement it. But what I saw in some really advanced factories, they are driving the strategy. As they realize by investing in more flexible machinery and having more agile planning capabilities, they, for example, can drive new levels of customization. They can do truly mass customization. They have other agile abilities. And so the core question you should ask yourself is not how can we save a little bit more money here, but how can we really drive a new kind of business model for our company. And I totally acknowledge this is often a very difficult business case. As one of the beauties or challenges at the same time of Industry 4.0 is actually you don't know what you can do with your smart factory later on. It's like with your smartphone. When you acquired your smartphone, you didn't know all the wonderful things you can do with it. You just had some use cases in mind, and then while using it, you discovered new apps with really new capabilities. And it's a little bit with a new smart factory. It really gets new abilities while you use it, when you create more data, if you have new kind of algorithms and industrial data-driven services. So it's difficult to, as I said, to tell it to your boss. But you always should think when making a case in setting up your strategy, investing into a smart factory, that operational efficiency, operational equipment efficiency is what will give you the budget to get started. But the real value for this, you should have higher ambition. So really think about new kinds of business models and how your smart factory can enable these business models. So if you like to discuss these issues in more detail, consider joining our next masterclass on the smart factory of the future.